Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. This video, I am going to show you how to obtain a credit line with no hard inquiry pull pre-approval so you can get up to a credit line of $14,000 through overstock.com. Now, some prerequisites for this to work for you. You're going to employ what's called the shopping cart trick. Primarily, what you need to do is sign up for two websites. One is Factor Trust, and the other is Opt Out Pre-Screen. I'm going to leave a link in the video right above this video, and you can go there and follow the steps to sign up for these websites. You need to let it process. If you're not getting this pop-up, once we go through these tutorials for the steps, at least give it up to 6 weeks to see if your information has circulated around the system. Another point, you want to make sure if you're trying to achieve any large credit lines that you have no collections, and you want to minimize your inquiries, hard inquiries. If you have issues with collections, I have a collection removal letter down in the link below. You can click on that and you can receive those letters. Also, I have a free hard inquiry removal letter, two of them at my website. So we're going to jump right into this. So one other key is you're going to utilize Google Chrome incognito mode. You also want to make sure that your settings here, and you're going to go into your internet settings to make sure that you can receive pop-ups so this can work for you. Now, what you want to do with the shopping cart trick is for certain companies, when you're registered to those two websites that I named, Factor Trust and Opt Out Pre-Screen, they will give you a pop-up if you qualify um, for a purchase or putting things in your shopping cart over $250. Now, you're not going to actually buy this stuff, but what you're going to do is try to get the credit line without the hard inquiry pull through a pre-approval. So what we are going to do to try to go for a bigger item, so let's go into furniture and let's go into bedroom sets. Let's go to dressers and chests. So what you want to go for, dressers with mirrors. Let's go here. So we can find one big ticket item that would achieve that over that $250 mark. Let's do this. We'll limit it so we keep it reasonable. And any advertisements, you can just click off, you guys. This would be, we have an item there. Just want to make sure we keep it reasonable and make sure that we're over that mark. Let's see. All right, we're just gonna go for this dresser here. Let's make sure also when you're picking these items, I try to sway away from the sale items because I want to make sure that we are encouraged to get that pop-up, and it's saying free shipping. So this looks like it can be delivered. Try to stay away from things anytime you're employing this shopping cart trick that might be problematic. Like if you're at a website that like knives, things of that nature, try to stay away from those things. Things that are easy to be delivered. Let's see. Doesn't look like that processed in my shopping cart for some reason. Let's see. Sign in. Your cart is empty. Okay. That was weird. Let's see if we can go to another item. Let's just continue shopping. Let's see if we can find something smaller. Um, that was glitchy. Let's go back here to bedroom furniture. Nice. Let's try the nightstands and tables. Okay, this looks good. Um, make sure we're not. We want to make the mark over $250. So that's $89. Let's see if we can find an item. What we might have to do here is just put together two items. Let's see. All right. We are close here. Let's just keep it basic. All right. Let me just make sure. Warranty. Select the warranty. See if we can decline the coverage. I just want to make sure the reason why that. Okay. Let's see if this will go into our cart. Okay. That's in our cart. And we don't have enough, so we don't want to check out yet. Maybe the other item was not available, so let's continue to shop. Let's see if we can go to another one of these items here. Add to cart. Okay, that's simple enough. All right, now we got $548 worth of product here. So now we're going to simply go to checkout. Okay, now what you want to do, okay, you're going to get this pop-up. You don't want to sign in. You want to just make sure you continue as a guest. Now what you want to do here is enter in all your information. One of the key factors is you want to make sure your information you are adding here is the same that you submitted to the other websites so you can receive the pop-up. So you want to make sure your name is identical, your email address, because they're going to use all these options in order for you to receive that pop-up. Now, what is going to happen to you when you are qualified? You are going to receive another pop-up. And what's going to happen is you're going to receive a pop-up that looks exactly like this once you enter in your information. So you want to enter your information in the prior screen that I showed you, and soon as it registered, you should receive this pop-up, and it'll tell you you have been pre-approved for the overstock store card. Now, I did this prior, and I didn't want to expose my personal information, so I did it prior to get this pop-up. And you want to make sure, you guys, it's saying when you spend over $300 that you qualifying for this promotion. So make sure with this shopping cart trick, you go over the $250 mark. If you can add two items, make sure you're in the 500s, well over, and you should be able to receive this pop-up. But it is you're qualifying, and what line you are qualifying for is going to be dictated on your credit score, you guys, so you can get a bigger line. But one thing about Overstock, they are known to have the ability that you can grow this line rapidly, even if you only get approved for a smaller line. So to better qualify your chances of receiving this, make sure you remove as many collections as possible. All collections that's going to be an issue for you moving forward for the how large of a line that you can be approved for. So if you need those letters, once again, I have it below in the description. and you want to remove your inquiries. If you are a person that is looking to rebuild credit, these merchandise cards are a good option, because with these pre-approvals, it would help you minimize your hard inquiries. I don't care how good your credit score is. If you have over 9 hard inquiries, 7 hard inquiries, you can be denied for that alone. If you are a person that just went for a auto loan and they did a blast of hard inquiries, you can contact me. We can do a credit analyzation, and we can see if we can remove those within 24 hours, some of those. So if you need my information, it will be in the description if you want to do the credit analyzation. And I hope this was informational for you. If you have any comments, or if you receive this line of credit, make sure you put it in the comment section below.